there?
Babe.
Who are you?
Sort of a stupid.
Excuse you? Who are you?
Well, I am the one who should be asking who you are. And what you're doing in my boyfriend's house. So who are you? And what are you doing in my boyfriend's house? Oh, wait. Isn't that Pascal's shirt you're wearing?
I just want to be here. Where are you in my house?
My baby, I miss
you. Hey, don't touch me.
Hey. Like, baby, I know you're upset with me right now, but I'm truly sorry. Okay, it was the devil.
Oh, the devil?
Yes, but I'm back now. And I want to take what belongs to me. I want us to go back to how we used to be. I miss you. I miss us. I want to take back my ring and I will marry you.
Now you want to marry me, Adesua? Now?
Yes, baby.
You want to marry me now, Adesua? What happened to your boyfriend, the one with the luxurious car?
Hey, who told you about that?
Who told me? Uche saw you two come out of a supermarket together.
But that's not true. Uche has never liked me. Alright? Maybe I should just let you know. He's been jealous of our love, of what we share. He knows it's special. Baby, he's been trying to tear us apart.
Tear us apart?
Yes, don't like him.
Tear us apart?
Are you?
Adesua.
Leave me alone! Harlot.
Harlot?
Yes,
We're doing the name calling game now.
Of course we are doing the name calling, harlot. Leave.
Adesua, you have to.
Seriously?
I said leave!
Baby, I can't.
Adesua.
Baby, I love you. I can't.
Are you okay?
Fine.
Are you sure?
I'm okay.
Are you hot? She hurt you?
Don't worry, I'm okay.
I'm talking to you, you did not hear me.
Wally, what is it? Can't you at least let me breathe?
How dare you walk out on me? Are you mad? But are you stupid or something? Something wrong with you?
Enough! Okay? I've had enough of your silly complaints. Every time I do something, you find something to complain about. Nothing I do is ever enough. I cook, you say I don't know how to cook.
That's because you can't cook! Okay? You're a terrible cook! Who feels the goosey? Like, you made a mess of the goosey. You're terrible at everything. Every damn thing. You can cook, you can wash, you can clean the house. You're not even good in bed. That's the worst I've ever seen in my life.
Well, newsflash. You are extremely horrible in bed.
Well, that's thanks to you.
The sex is zero, right?
Thanks to you. You know what I think? I think you should go back to your mom so that she can start all over and training you again because she did a very terrible job.
How dare you mention my mom?
Would you step back?
Otherwise, what?
Step back. Are you deaf?
Hey.
You don't believe how many comments and messages I've been getting since I posted this stuff before.
I did that much.
Yeah, they are. Quite
Interesting. Interesting, baby.
Yeah. Although I would have preferred something more luxurious. You know, like a car or something. But, I mean, I'm still grateful. You know that.
What do you mean prefer something more luxurious?
Like a car, you know, like a nice car. I mean, Cynthia's boyfriend just got her a Range Rover.
The same boyfriend you told me is into fraud.
Even though, at least he's doing something, you know, meaningful for her.
If I had that much money, I would have invested it into something more important instead of buying you a luxurious car.
What do you mean? You could have invested into something. So you don't take it important. You don't take it as something important to buy me my dream car. Besides, who are we to judge? You're talking about Cynthia's boyfriend being a fraudster and things. Who are we to judge? Nobody's perfect. We're not perfect either.
Adesua, you mean I should get your dream car? I should work hard and get you your dream car?
That's what a real man would do.
It's not even... How do you say all these things? Is that even logical? I should work hard at this one to get you your... Why don't you work hard and get your dream car? That is how it happens in the outside world, yes? You want something, you go for it, you get it.
Are you calling me lazy?
No, I'm not calling you lazy. But that's how it's supposed to be. You want your dream car, you work towards it. Do you understand? That's how it's done in the outside world. Not somebody I should work hard and get it. You know what? I wanted to come and sleep, but you have it the way you do these things.
Look, whatever you do, just make sure you work hard and buy me my dream car. It's a Range Rover Villa.
At least I work hard and buy
Okay.
it myself.
Guy,
Yeah?
I saw your girlfriend's Instagram post. So you were actually serious about getting her those expensive gifts?
I was I was joking. Yes, I was serious about it.
Guy, you get mine though. You carry your hard-earned money. You buying ordinary girlfriend latest iPhone and human hair.
Bro, she did have most of these things, so I decided to get it for her. It's not a big deal.
That never be me. Before I buy any girlfriend or any girl latest iPhone and all those expensive gifts, she must be my wife first.
Bro, I trust my girlfriend. And I know that one day we're going to get married. So, where's the need? Get her these things. It's not a big deal. Plus, which one is a ordinary girlfriend? Is there an extraordinary girlfriend, bro?
Sorry, bro. Sorry. Romeo and Juliet. Congratulations to your girlfriend on her latest
Exactly.
iPhone and expensive things you got for
What I
her.
could have said, rather than all those trash we're talking.
So,
Very unromantic.
and cheers to that. Congratulations. Me, unromantic.
Yes, now.
You don't even know what you're saying.
And again, I love, really. Wakey, wakey. Babe. Babe. Hey, darling. Wake up. Wake up. Wake up. Wake up. Look at the time. I'm still sleeping. I made breakfast for you.
You do?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, thank you.
But what?
Oh, babe. Same routine every day. Breakfast in bed every single day. You should do something more creative. Honestly, I'm getting bored, babe.
Creative like what?
Just a lot of things like a picnic,
Picnic.
getting a chef, to make us a special dinner in the sky. Babe, I want to be on a yacht. You know what I'm talking about?
Alright. I'll think of something. Yeah, I will. I'll think of something, okay?
Okay, babe. You should do more things like that to keep me in love with you.
Mm-hmm. I will. For now, eat your food, okay? I'm late for work. I'll see you later.
Alright, baby.
Right now.
Bye,
Check your phone up.
I will. Alright. Oh.
Adesua, babe, wake up.
Oh, Oscar, what is it now? I've told you. Stop waking me up when I'm
Do
sleeping.
you even know what the time is? I went to work and I'm back and you're still sleeping.
I mean, I don't know why you even think I slept through it. I just came in a few minutes ago and slept off.
You know what? This is not even my problem. Why is the living room like that? You ate pear, corn, scattered the whole living room. What's wrong with you? You couldn't even clean it.
It's because I'm tired. I'm tired, okay?
Can't even hear yourself. You know what? For peace to reign right now, just stand up and go and clean the living room.
Anyway, I'll clean it when I wake up properly. Okay, for now I just want to sleep. Okay?
That is why I'm talking to you.
Pascal, leave me alone. Let me sleep. Okay? How?
Can I ever be free? And I'll never be. Baby, just then I will be free.
Babe. Babe, I really do appreciate you cooking for me. I do. But I think you need to tone down the level of your salt and pepper. It's just too much.
What are you trying to say?
Listen, babe, all I'm saying is that just reduce salt and the pepper. Apart from that, food is delicious, okay?
I took my precious time to cook for you. And this is what you say to me.
Why are you making a big deal out of this? Just give me my sincere opinion.
Keep your sincerity to yourself. This food is so nice. I don't know what you're talking about.
Hey.
Hey, please, don't touch me.
I'm sorry. Okay, babe. Babe. Adesua. Adesua. Babe. We need to talk.
What's going on?
First of all, why would you leave your dirty underwear in the toilet? That's not nice at all.
I know, I forgot.
You forgot.
Eh?
You forgot.
Yes, I did.
Do you know that when you use stuff like that, you wash it immediately? That's what women do.
Are you trying to say that I'm acting like a little girl?
See, this is you. That's not what I'm trying to say. You know what I'm trying to say.
Besides, if you help me wash it, is there anything wrong in that? After all, I clean and I cook in this house. Never have I complained before.
I should wash your underwear.
Yeah, that's what a real man would do.
You man.
Honestly. Besides, you're always complaining, always nagging about one thing or the other, always just having something to go on and on about.
So me telling you to wash your underwear is complaining, right?
And you can't actually help me do it.
To wash your underwear.
That's the big deal. Okay? You're always just nagging, always complaining. Besides, you're not even a real man. Okay? You know what? That's it.
Yes.
I'm leaving. I'm going home. So because I'm always here cooking, cleaning for you, you no longer respect me?
Is it because of this small argument we had you want to leave?
You can't even help me wash my underwear? No, please, let me go home. At least when I go home, you have some regard. Absence makes the mind grow fonder.
Babe, I need to...
To go. Honestly.
Babe. Babe. No. That reminds me, bro.
Yeah.
I have a question for you.
Okay, what's the question?
Shout out my question. I saw it on Twitter. Yeah. Is it cool for a guy to wash a lady's underwear? What do you think? Why are you laughing? It's not funny, guy.
The question is funny. Why should a man be washing a woman's undies? And it goes both ways. A woman should not be washing a man's undies too.
Because this lady kept hammering on the point that real men do it.
Did you say real men?
Mm-hmm.
Guy, any man that would do that is a mumu. Huh?
What if the guy loves the girl?
Well, that one consign them. As for me, what am I even saying? Can never be me. Don't worry, can never be me. Can I be washing a woman's undies? Guy, I beg, find us something to drink now.
Oh, yeah. What do you want to drink?
You know now, usual.
Yeah, no, you can't say.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. You're pretending that you loved me. Said you love me till the end of time, and you'll be by me to cherish and to hold. You'll do anything just for me.
Who's that one calling me again? Pascal. Why is he calling me? What is it?
Hey, babe. I've been trying to call you for the past couple of days now. Now you're not picking my calls. Wait, is it because of the small argument we had?
You call it minor argument? Like you insulted me. You called me a little girl.
Alright, look, listen, I didn't mean it. Okay? And I apologize. I'm sorry. I am. Truly, I'm sorry. Babe, please, can you just come back home? I miss you.
I can't come. Okay? I can't. I'm not even coming anytime soon. I need my space. Enough of all this finish.
You know what? I promise I'm not going to complain again. I won't complain anymore. Okay, please. Just come back home.
Look, I can't come. Not even anytime soon.
Okay, how much should I send you? Any amount. Just tell me. Name it. Are you there?
Fine. I'll come.
Really? Okay. Alright, see you tomorrow. Okay? I mean, it's fine as long as she's going to come back. This one.
I know. Oh,
Thank you.
sure.
Just a few days without you and feels like a year already.
Oh,
Missed you. I love you.
so good.
I love you.
I love you too, babe.
Don't leave me next time.
I won't.
Like, I love everything about you, honey. Every single thing. Your smile. Your eyes. Your skin tone. Then your fashion sense, oh my god. Top notch. Even though the bank suffers, but I mean, it's fine.
Right? I know you got me.
Right. There's no dull moment with you, baby. It's all hype. Alright, so tell me, what do you love about me?
What did you say?
What do you love about me?
Oh, it's a lot.
Plenty like that.
Yeah, there's a lot that I love about you. Maybe you know what? If I start talking about them now, trust me, I won't finish this
Are you
conversation.
serious?
Yeah. It's actually much more than you can imagine.
Okay.
Babe, I'm suddenly very hungry.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I'm hungry.
You make something in the kitchen now.
No, I don't feel like cooking.
What do you want to eat?
I think I just want some Chinese. So you can either order in or we go eat. Yeah.
I get dressed for God.
That's my baby.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I get dressed.
Let me get dressed. Oh.
I think I should.
Babe,
Hmm?
this place, it's really beautiful. And their food is so good.
I know you like it.
Of course. I don't just like it, I love it. And now you see what I'm saying. You have to get very creative. Yeah, I mean, like, be creative with everything that we're doing, you know, come up with new ideas like this. Not everyday breakfast in bed. Gosh, babe, I'm not gonna lie to you. I was getting bored out of my mind. And their food, oh my god, so good. I kid you not. You know what? We have to come back here again. Yeah, we have to. Plus, babe, guess what? We can actually visit different restaurants at least once every week.
With which money exactly?
With your money. Of course. I mean, isn't your salary meant to be spent?
The restaurants like this are very expensive. Not a place where you visit every week.
Whatever.
Speaking of salaries, I was talking to Uche. His sister just gave birth.
Oh, are you serious?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
congratulations.
And you know what? Her clothing business is so successful. She makes millions from it. Yeah. So because of the whole child thing, she cannot be as active as she was in the business. So she's looking for like a manager. Someone that will help her manage the business while she's nursing her child.
Babe, can you just go straight to the point? I mean, what's my business with Uche and his sister and all the things with her baby and her business?
Fine. The point is, I want you to take the job. Because she's willing to pay a huge sum of money for salary. And the best part is that you could learn the business when you save up enough money, you start up your own. You get?
Hey, babe.
What?
Let me get you very clearly.
Yeah?
You're asking me to apply to be a sales girl? To Uche's sister?
I just swear, I didn't say sales girl. I said manager.
What's the difference?
How do you manage to misinterpret every single thing I say at this hour?
What's the difference? It's one and the same. Okay, so you brought me here to insult me? Here I was hailing you for doing something spontaneous and different.
Shouting we are at the public.
Why wouldn't I shout? That's such an insult.
This will calm down. I was just only suggesting.
Look, keep that silly suggestion to yourself. Okay? For you to suggest that I, Adesuwa Johnson, should go serve as a sales girl? Some girl that I don't even know, Uche's sister.
Adesuwa, I said,
Me? Do you know who I... Babe.
You know what? I'm sorry.
You didn't rate me.
No, forget it. Just forget I said it, okay? Just can we just move on already? Alright? Sorry.
Yeah, so what? You already insulted me. You brought me to this nice place, beautiful food, and you made sure that I lost my appetite.
I said I'm sorry. Can we just...
Babe, do you know how much my hair, how much she's gonna pay me? Do you know how much my dress cost? This makeup?
You pretending that you loved me, said you love me till the end of time, and you'll be by me to cherish and to hold.
I'll be hanging out with my friends this evening, so I think I'll be back late. Just help me do this small laundry, okay? What?
What's wrong with the washing machine?
I told you it's bad now. And the guy that's coming to fix it's coming like on Wednesday, and tomorrow is Monday. I need my stuff ready for work. Alright? Will you do it for me?
Okay, sure, I'll do it.
You do it? Okay. I'll see you later, okay?
Okay.
Bye.
And you turn me down just for the money.
Hey.
How you doing?
Thank you. Welcome back.
Where are you going to?
I'm sorry, I forgot to tell you. My friend is having a dinner thing. It's her birthday, so just gonna have dinner.
Oh. Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah. So we could already.
Alright. No, hold up, babe. Those are the clothes I said you should wash for me. They're still there.
Oh, that. Babe, I'm sorry, I forgot, okay? But don't worry, I'll wash them tomorrow.
Why? You know that tomorrow is Monday and I need this clothes for work.
Then just look for something else to wear. Why are you making such a big deal out of it? I said I was sorry. I'll wash them tomorrow. Okay? Plus, washing clothes with my hands, it's not the best. I'm not used to all that kind of life. Please, hurry up and fix up the washing machine. Alright? Look for something else to wear, babe. Alright? Be good. Babe, can you believe what I found out when I was talking to my friends just a few days ago?
What was it?
Do you know that some of my friends, not even some, all my friends, their boyfriends give them allowance every single month just for being their girlfriend?
Interesting.
Yeah. So, where do I start?
Starting what?
Babe, stop playing now. Like I just said it. Put me on a payroll. Like every month, let me just get something.
So are you seriously asking me that question? Eh? I legit pay your rent. I buy you clothes, your wigs. I legit pay for everything you do. I should still put you on payroll again. How about now? You say have conscience, eh? Have conscience.
Are you trying to say that I don't have conscience?
That's not what I'm saying, Adesuwa, but you reason them now.
That's exactly what you're saying. Anyway, I don't blame you. You still finished now. You don't regard me anymore. You don't respect me. You don't rate me again. Just put me on a payroll.
Can I just focus and drive? I beg. Please. What's the problem, sir? Okay.
Hey, baby.
Okay. Why are you acting like you won a lottery or something? But you're not telling me.
I did not win a lottery, my dear. Today is just a special day.
I don't get what's special about today.
You don't know what's special about today? You don't know what today is?
I don't. Okay? But I love it for you. Happy for you. Okay? I'm still so sleepy. You accept me and woke me up. I need to go back to bed, okay? Oh.
Babe, are you going back to bed?
Of course.
Wait, you mean you don't know what today means to me? Are you?
I can't believe this. How can Adesua forget my birthday? Oh, wait a minute. Does she want to plan a surprise party for me? Oh, maybe.
What if? Hey, bro. Alpha. Thank you. I'm not sure I'm gonna do anything. I'm not just in the mood, you know. I don't need that mood, bro. I don't know. Nobody. No cake. No decoration.
Hey, baby. Welcome.
Thank you.
How was work?
Fine.
Nice. Oh, so I made some food. It's in the kitchen. So when you're ready to eat, you can just go microwave for yourself. All right?
So that's what I get. Food is ready. That's all.
Hey, what else are you supposed to get? What do you want to get? Okay, I already made the food. All you have to do is warm it when you're ready to eat.
Adesa, what's today's date?
Today is Wednesday. Why?
When is my birthday, Adesua?
Babe. Why are you asking me?
Just answer the question. When is my birthday?
Okay. Isn't your birthday on the 20th August? Did you really think I would have... Oh my God, babe. Baby, it's today. I'm so sorry. Babe. Look, I promise I'm so sorry. Look, happy birthday.
Just stop it. Stop it. Too late for that. Let me don't take a shot.
Hey, just... Gosh, how could I even forget this? Why? Babe! Babe. Babe. I'm sorry, okay? I didn't mean for any of this to happen. It's just this thing with dates. Babe. I'm so sorry, okay? Please now. Hey, babe. Babe, where are you going? Come on now. I've been talking to you since. You've been ignoring me. That's not nice. At least say something. I said I'm sorry. Okay, it was a mistake. I didn't intentionally forget your birthday.
That's why we've been together 3 years now. You still cannot remember my birthday.
I said it was a mistake.
You did nonsense last year. I let it slide. You repeat it again this year. Come on now.
Again, I'm just not a dates person, okay? I never really remember birthdays. Why can't you just understand this? I forget birthdays a lot. I forget dates, anniversaries. I forget everything. I'm sorry, okay? I'm sorry. It won't happen again. All right, baby? I'm sorry. Babe. Come on, what is it itself? Like, it's not just birthdays. Can't I forget? What's in birthdays that somebody cannot forget?
You must be kidding, right?
Bro, I say I'm not joking, guy. She legit forgot my birthday. Like, completely.
No, that's very bad now. She will do that kind of a thing.
Like, bro, I'm in shock. Like
Even considering the fact that you even got her expensive things on her own birthday, I was expecting her to do something in return for it.
exactly that's what every normal human being would do. But bro, she forgot. Like, see the relationship thing, I'm so tired. Guy, I'm tired. Like, I'm tired of the whole relationship thing. It's just so one-sided.
No, that's really bad.
I'm really tired, honestly. For what now? I'm tired, bro.
No, you're right.
I won't take you back. I'm with another. I found the one, the right one for me, for now and forever.
Wakey, wakey. Baby. Hey. 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 I made you breakfast in bed. All right? Super nice. Some nice French toast. Do you like to?
I don't.
Babe. I'm sorry. I said I'm sorry. Okay, what happened again? Okay.
Promise.
Promise.
Cross your heart.
I cross my heart. So you should come and eat now.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Alright.
Want me to bring it to you? Yes.
Thank you. Sorry.
Yes, just like you like it.
Okay. Not bad.
It's your morning coffee.
It's good, really good. You, my man.
My guy, what's up? How far, guy? How was it?
What?
The breakup now. You said you were going to break up with her after what she did.
I said that.
Mm-hmm. Weren't you the one that said the relationship was one-sided and you were tired of the relationship?
Oh. I was just angry. Okay, I was just angry. Don't mind what I said.
You don't mean it.
I didn't mean it. Look at me. Go.
Uche,
Ah,
you're here.
yes. How are you?
I'm alright.
Here you go. Hey, baby.
Hey. I mean, your handsome friend over here has been taking very good care.
I go love you.
You should. Love is very beautiful.
You get, like, look for someone that I love. for once in your life. Hey, babe.
Hey,
What's up?
I'm alright.
Oh, please, you guys should go and get a room.
What's your problem? This is my house. You're talking for nothing.
I'm just let him be.
What are you doing?
Just looking at you.
An extra. It's just so.
The clothes blinding.
Hey, hello. Yeah, sorry. Sorry, I forgot to ask your name in there.
Oh, Adesua.
Oh, nice to meet you, Adesua. I am Wale.
Nice to meet you, Wale.
So do you mind if I maybe take your number?
Sure.
Nice. Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm sorry. Which way are you headed? I could give you a lift. This is my car.
Oh.
Oh
Yes.
my God. He has a nice car. And he's so handsome.
I could give you a lift.
Sure, thank you, but my friend is here to pick me, so I'll be fine.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
All right. So I'll just leave now, but I'll call you definitely.
Okay.
Take care. Nice to meet you. I'll call you, eh?
Hey, baby. How are you?
Hey, baby. Mm. Oh, you. Oh, good. You seem so excited.
What do you mean? I mean, don't I always look excited?
No, today is just different. You have this glow. What's going on?
Well, let's just say that your baby woke up on the right side of the bed.
Oh, God, please let her always wake up on the right side of the bed.
Oh my God, no, please. Stop being dramatic. Anyway, let me drop all of this and I'll be back.
All right, okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Right side of the bed.
Hey, Adiswa. Hello, are you there?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Oh, so I'm really sorry I haven't called you today. You know, I was really, really busy. That's why I couldn't call.
It's okay. That's fine.
So how have you been? How's your day?
It was fine. How was yours?
Well, I was really busy, like I said. But the good part of the whole thing was that I got to sign a contract worth millions of naira.
Oh my God. Elon Musk should be scared.
Come on. I'm not there yet, trust me.
Anyway,
I won't take you back. I'm with another. I found the one, the right one for me, for now and forever. I won't take you back. I'm with
Can you imagine?
another.
The washing machine just got bad again. Like, why is this thing even spoiling anyhow? Me, I'm talking to you.
oh, really? What's up?
Where's your mind? Hmm?
What did you say?
I said the washing machine is bad again.
For real?
Yep.
Please, you have to make sure that you fix it. Okay, because as you know, I can't wash clothes with my hands.
I just fixed this thing a couple of days back. I'll just get a new one, don't worry.
Please get a new one. I'm not built for.
I think I'll just get a new one. Yeah. You've been up to?
Just been here
Doing what?
thinking about you.
Really?
As always, babe.
You sure?
Very sure.
Prove it.
Well, like, how do you want to see my heart?
I want to see it. I want to see it. Heart, open up. Heart, open.
I don't know what you have done to me, but I can't seem to get you off my head. You're so beautiful. You're funny. You're just a complete package.
You're so sweet. But are you
This
sure you're
one,
not saying this
trust
to other
me,
women?
I am one man, one woman kind of man. I really don't have time to be messing around with different women. I'm too busy for that. When I like a woman, I stick to her. It's the
Okay, if you
truth.
say so.
Anyways, can we meet again? I really want to see your beautiful face again.
I think I'm free this week.
What if we meet tomorrow? Is that fine by you?
Yeah, absolutely.
All right, see you tomorrow then.
See ya. Bye. Yes. So I get to see him tomorrow. Okay, what do I wear? What can I possibly wear? Let's see. Oh. This. Which of you is going to save the day? Let's see.
Hey, are you going somewhere?
Babe. Well, yeah. Not today, though. I'm going to hang with my friends. I'm just trying to pick something nice to wear. What do you think? What do you think of this one?
Nah.
You don't like it?
No, I'm not getting it.
Okay. How about this one?
Yeah, this looks better. This is better.
Right?
Yeah, it's just good on you.
Good on me, right?
Yeah, you look good on you. Yeah,
So you think I should just go with this one?
that is better.
It'll pop, right?
Mhm.
Oh, I know you always make the best decisions for me, babe.
Of course I do.
Yeah.
How are you?
I'm good. My day has been good.
Really?
It just got better.
Tired.
Oh, sorry, my baby. Oh, that's why I always trust your judgment. You know what? Let me help you take this up and help you relax. When you're stressed.
Relax, I think about.
You know. Wow. Your house is really beautiful.
Thank you.
Are you sure you live here alone? I mean, it's a very big house, so...
Of course I do. I stay here alone, yes.
Nice. I think you have really good taste. I like what I see.
Thank you. Please sit.
Oh, thank you.
So, what do I offer you? I have wine, vodka, champagne, whiskey. What do you want?
Anything is fine. As long as it's expensive.
I got you.
I trust you. Trust your taste. I mean, I like what I see already.
Yeah. So here you go.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Wow, that's a lot.
We're here to have fun and so.
Right. So I was saying, you have really nice taste. I love everything.
Thank you. So I've been meaning to ask, what do you do?
Oh, that. It's a lot of things.
Okay.
But then I'm a businesswoman. I sell clothes, female wears, luxury female wears.
That's nice. I like that you're actually hardworking.
Oh, of course.
At least you have something to do. I hate lazy women.
Right? I hate lazy people too. Honestly, and I'm very hardworking. In fact, that's what all my friends say about me. It's one of my strongest qualities. Oh gosh, I'm such a workaholic.
I can see that.
I work too hard, to even get a breather.
Yeah.
Cheers
Oh, yes.
to hard work.
Hard work.
Look at the time now. She's not yet back. Give her a call.
Oh my God, you are so funny.
I'm funny.
Yes,
But are you sure of that?
yes, I am.
Ah,
I'm sure you're very, very funny.
okay. Well, I didn't know.
It's late now.
Well, now you know. You should probably consider going into comedy. Oh.
Who's that?
It's my friend.
Come on, she's not taking her calls now, eh? I just
Oh, okay. Don't worry, it's cool. You can take it.
Sure?
Yeah, sure.
You know what? She talks too much, so I should probably just let it be. All right. Yeah.
Yeah.
If I take this call, we'll probably speak for hours on end. So.
I understand. I mean, we all have that kind of friend, right?
Right.
Yeah.
I would just put the phone on silent so she doesn't bother us.
That's cool.
Right.
Yeah.
So, Mr. Funny, what more jokes do you have?
Do I have any? Let me see. I don't know what to say.
I mean, just say anything. I think, your jokes will always hit.
You think?
I think.
You pretending that you love me, said you love me till the end of time, and you'll be by me to cherish and to hold. You'll do anything just for me. I gave you my heart, my body, my soul. I became a fool for you. But you left me alone just for another.
Where have you been? I've been calling your phone non-stop. You didn't even return my calls. You didn't take anyone.
I'm sorry, my phone was silent. That's why I didn't know it was ringing.
Where were you all night? Why are you coming back home this late? Hmm?
I feel something very strong for you. Something I've never felt for any other woman before. I want you to be my woman. Please be my girlfriend.
Of course.
For real? Mm-hmm. How about I celebrate this now? Diving into you. For real?
Yeah, for real.
Oh, that's sweet.
Hey, I'm talking to you. Where's your mind? Hey.
Oh.
I said, where have you been?
I was at my friend's place. Jenny, you know her. So we're just having conversations and I slept off on her couch. Yeah, so I woke up not long ago. I just had to rush back. I knew you'd be worried. I'm so sorry, baby.
Listen, next time just text me, okay? Don't let me get just worried.
I'm sorry.
Do you like want to freshen up or something?
Yeah.
You want to?
Mm-hmm.
All right, honey.
Are you coming?
I don't know. Okay, I'm coming. Babe, your phone is ringing. Babe. Babe.
Hey. Oh, thank you.
Are you not taking the call?
No, it's just my friend. I don't feel like talking. I'll call back.
Is everything all right?
Yeah. Everything is fine. Are you good?
Okay, fine.
Put the sound, right? I don't know, try. I don't think I'm saying anything that makes sense. Wow, yeah.
Babe, you stepped out, you didn't tell me. Here you go.
I'm sorry. Okay.
I woke up and I didn't find you in the house anymore.
I just didn't want to wake you.
Where did you go to?
Shopping.
Babe, this is it. This is a lot of clothes.
Right?
They sure look expensive. Who bought them for you?
Of course I bought them myself.
With what money?
What do you mean with what money? With my money, of course. I have savings. Okay, I could take care of myself. I'm a big girl.
You know, if you asked me for the money, I would have given it to you.
I know, but...
When I know that you're not working or you're not earning money, you shouldn't use your savings to buy all these clothes.
I just didn't want to bother you.
Bother me. Alright? Bother me. That's why I'm here.
Okay. I'll put that into consideration. Alright? Anyway, let me go try them on for you. I'm sure you'd like them.
Alright, okay. See you in a minute.
Yes! New clothes o'clock.
Women and clothes. New clothes, exactly. Oh, I like. Come on, bro. Hey, Alpha.
I'm fine, sir.
Just bring the usual. Abby?
Oh, yeah.
Should I bring the usual?
Okay, sir.
Hurry up, babe.
Okay.
Bro,
Yo, my guy.
I want to discuss something very important.
Okay. What's it?
I'm about to take a life-changing decision.
How do you mean? Wait, guy. What are you doing with an engagement ring?
I think it's time, bro. I want to pop the question to Adeswa. I want to settle down.
Wow. You're joking, right?
No, I'm serious. Dead serious, bro.
Wow, I didn't see this coming at all. Congratulations, bro.
Thank you. Thank you.
Wow. So, wait. Like play now, you will turn married man.
They play. Just they play, guy. This is
Wow, nice one.
special to me.
Congrats, my guy.
Thank you for your support, bro. Me too.
Hope you're ready for this.
Yes, bro, I am. I mean, I love Adeswa so much. And she loves me, so. So, why are we wasting time? Let's just start making babies already, I beg.
Yeah, you're right. Congrats.
Yeah, bro.
Where is this guy now?
Barman!
Shit, did he forget the usual?
How far down?
I'll bring it to you in a minute, please.
Wow, it's taking long already.
This thing.
Bro, this is really, I feel really excited about this.
I'm so happy for you. Like, legit. Romeo. Getting married to his Juliet.
Hey,
What's going on here? Babe, what's going on here? What's all this one?
hey,
Oh, babe.
hey.
Hey. What's all this one? What's...
I love you. Adeswa. Adeswa. Ever since I met you at the party, I knew you were the man. Adeswa, since you came into my life, it has been so beautiful. It has been wonderful. And I can't even see myself with another woman right now. You complete me in so many ways. I didn't even know what's possible. This is why, Johnson, you marry me. Babe, I said, would you marry me?
No.
What? Alessia, what did you say?
Pascal, I'm sorry. Okay, I can't marry you.
No.
I am not ready to get married.
No, babe, listen, it's not like we're getting married immediately. We could do courtship for like a whole year, think about it, then we'll get
Look,
married.
I'm sorry, okay, but I'm really not thinking marriage right now.
That is why I've invested my whole life in this relationship. My time, my body, my money, everything went in. Hey, listen, you can't do this to me.
Fine. Oh, you know what? I'll give it a thought. Okay, and even if I'm going to do that, I'll have to take like 3 months.
3 months?
And just, think it through, make sure that my mind is in a clear frame, And please, do me a favor. In those 3 months, ensure that you stay away from me so I can properly process this, please.
Adesua, I can't even stay 1 week without you. How do I go 3 months without you, Adesua? Listen, I told my friends I was going to propose to you today. What do I tell them? Adesua.
Hey, enough, okay? You're starting to blackmail me now.
No.
You're trying to emotionally blackmail me. What's with the, I told my... What do you want me to do? I already told you, I can't...
Adesua, please. Please, I'm begging you. Please, don't do this to me.
What is this?
Adesua, please don't do this to me.
Look.
It's Pascal, Adesua, please.
Stop it! My gosh.
Please,
You're all delusional.
You pretending that you loved me, said you love me till the end of time, and you'll be by me to cherish and to hold. You'll do anything just for me. I gave you my heart, my body, my soul. I became a fool for you.
Hey.
Wow, babe.
Yes, baby.
You left me alone just for another.
Hey, so you came with so much luggage. Are you going somewhere?
Oh, yes. I was coming to spend some quality time with you. Yes, I'm here for a few weeks. I just feel we could use some more bonding.
Okay.
Yeah. Wait, you're not happy to see me? I could just go back.
No, of course I'm... Come on, what are you saying? I'm happy to see you. I'm actually buzzing with excitement right now.
I can see that.
Yeah, come here. I love you, okay? Don't you ever doubt that. So let's go up.
Okay. I knew you'd be excited to see me. I just was sure that we needed to spend some more time together.
Of course, yeah.
Have a nice time.
I'm with another. I found the one, the right one for me.
Guys, it's over for me, guy. Like, can you imagine? Guys, my one has finished. One has finished, I swear. Calm down. Bro, tell me to take it easy. The girl rejected my proposal. What are you saying? Like, after everything we've been through together, after everything I've done for her, she's... Like, she just declared like I meant nothing to her.
Fair woman.
Oh.
Women are scorned.
Oh.
I can't believe she rejected your proposal.
See, I should give her 3 months space.
Still in shock, self. Like,
Bro, 3 months space. Who uses 3 months to think about your proposal? She said she's not sure that she wants to marry me. Which is me.
really? But she was busy enjoying your money and spending it anyhow. I warned you, Pascal. I warned you when you were busy investing your money on that woman. So now she has dumped you.
I don't even know what I'm even doing yourself. Are you trying to add salt to my wound? Eh? I legit built my life around this girl. Everything, every single thing, everything of my life. Which, what am I supposed to do now with my life?
You better start learning how to live without her. Because it's obvious she doesn't love you. And she's not coming back. Who knows, she might even be with another man.
What do you mean by be with another man? Once your money has finished,
My life is over.
Your life is not over in Jesus' name.
My life is over.
Calm down, put yourself together. You can always get another woman.
I don't want another woman. I want my Adesua. I don't want another woman. She's only one. She's only one. How am I supposed to leave, bro? Everything reminds me of her. Every single thing. Guy.
You pretending that you loved me, said you love me till the end of time, and you'll be by me to cherish and to hold. You'll do anything just for me. I gave you my heart, my body, my soul. I became a fool for you. But you left me alone just for another. You turned me down just for the money. Yeah, you left me alone just for another. And you turned me down just for the money. I won't take you back. I'm with another. I found the one, the right one for me, for now and forever. I won't take you back. I'm with another. I found the one, the right one for me, for now and forever.
Why are you doing to yourself? Who said drinking solves anything?
Uche, have you ever been in love? Have you ever been in love? Like, genuinely take your time and love a woman. Have you? In your full life. That's the only time you can understand me.
I understand how you feel, but drinking will not solve your problem.
This is the only thing that understands me.
You need to stop drinking. Give me that. Give it to me.
Give me the...
Please.
I want to forget about her. I want to forget about her. This is the only way I can do it. This is the only way I can do it. Jake,
Will you stop? It's okay. You need to get hold of yourself. It's okay, man. Just put yourself together.
You pretending that you loved me, said you loved me till the end of time, and you'll be by me to cherish and to hold. You'll do anything just for me. I gave you my heart, my body, my soul. I became a fool for you. But you left me alone just for another. You turned me down just for the money. Yeah, you left me alone just for another. And you turned me down just for the money. You left me alone for somebody else for the money. After everything I gave to you and the love I gave to you, I won't take you back. I'm with another. I found the one, the right one for me, for now and forever. I won't take you back. I'm with another. I found the one, the right one for me, for now and forever.
What's the meaning of this rubbish? Adeswa. Adeswa. If I call you one more time, Adeswa. What's the meaning of this rubbish? How dare you eat and leave the whole plate on the table like this? In the living room. What if I walked in with a colleague or something?
Is that why you're shouting?
Is that why I'm shouting?
I'm sorry, I forgot. I'll clear it.
In my own house?
Yes, please stop shouting.
Wow. Wait, is it that you're suffering from a mental problem or something? Do you suffer memory loss or something? Because you keep forgetting things. How is it that an adult would leave plates? You eat and you leave the plates on the table like this.
I said I forgot. I'm sorry. Okay? What is it? It's plates now. Oh, wow. Chill. I'll clear it.
Listen. I'm going up right now. Alright? If I calm down and say this, you won't like me.
Hey, it's just plates. Okay? Just
Hi.
Hi.
I see you come around here often.
Me too.
My name is Pascal.
Anita.
Nice to meet you, Anita.
Nice to meet you too.
Right? Do you like want something on the table?
Thank
Are
you.
you sure?
Yeah, I'm fine. Good.
Can I just get your snap or something?
No, I'm not. I'm not there.
Okay.
And this one. And this one. Why are you so dirty? I mean, how is it in this world that you will leave your dirty panties there unwashed?
I'm sorry. I forgot, babe. I'll clear it out.
You forgot. You forget every damn thing. What is in this small brain of yours? No, tell me.
Come on. Like, babe, you're starting to insult me and I do not appreciate that, okay? I said I forgot. And that's it. I forgot. And I'm sorry.
Listen, I'm going to close my eyes right now. And please, in God's name, before I open it, make sure you're in that bathroom, washing those panties of yours, those smelling things. Go right now.
I said I'm sorry.
I said go. Are you moving? Look, I don't want to hear your voice. Just get into that bathroom and wash those panties. What's this girl trying to turn my house into? A pigsty? Imagine. God.
Do you know after all I've done for her? After everything I've done for her, she still refused my proposal. Like, can you imagine? Not only that, she asked for extra 3 months to think about it. Like, who does that? Eh? Women are wicked. Like, that girl, she's wickedness herself. Women are scum.
Men are scum. Worse. They are worse than women.
What do you mean?
Yours is even better. You should count yourself lucky.
What do you mean lucky? All this thing I explain to you now and say lucky.
7 years. 7 good years I spent with that idiot. He refused to propose. I got tired of being his girlfriend and I asked him to propose. But he refused. He refused. But after several persuasion, he finally did.
So after the proposal, what happened?
That bastard. That idiot, if not demon with 2 horns, stood me up on our wedding day.
Jesus. That guy is a demon.
I've never been embarrassed in my life. I've never been embarrassed in my life like that.
Okay. Sorry.
It's been 2 months. 2 months and all I do is drink myself to stupor.
That is enough. Yeah, but
See?
Oh, I'm sorry to interrupt you. Oh, please, can I say something?
don't worry, you can. Yes.
I've been listening to your conversations, and I must tell you that both of your stories are very, very sad. Please, I would like to ask a question. Are your exes watered? You're drinking to stupor. You're losing yourself. You're crying every day of your life. You have lost love. Does it worth it? Trust me. If they are the ones meant for you, they wouldn't have left. See, at this point, you need to learn from your mistakes. Don't allow your mistakes to break you down. Come on, think about this. You both should all think about this. I'm sorry. I need to go back to my work. Thank you.
I think he makes sense. They are not worth it. They are not. Yeah.
Take.
Thank you.
Welcome to my house.
Yeah. Your house is beautiful.
Please stop it. Stop it. My ex used to say this house is small and, tiny.
This house?
Yeah.
That's a big fat lie.
Are you kidding me right now?
Of course, it's beautiful.
Really?
Yeah, it's nice.
Please make yourself comfortable, okay?
Thank you.
What would you like to drink?
Anything.
Anything?
Yeah.
You sure? I'll get you something. Okay?
Thank you.
Yeah. Uche, where did you get these pictures from? And who is the guy with this one?
I was coming from a supermarket, and then, to my surprise, I saw her with the guy. I decided to take pictures so I can show you. You can see for yourself.
I mean, we can't say anything for certain. That might just be our friend.
I doubt it. Those two didn't look like just friends. They look like lovers. The only thing they didn't do was just to kiss. I mean, because the way they were hugging, holding hands, looking at each other. Come on now. I'm not a child. I know lovers when I see one.
Is this the reason why she turned down my engagement? Because she was seeing another man? Huh?
Also, the guy was driving an expensive car. He looked very rich. He's not a driver.
No. I just cannot do this to me, young guy. She can't do this to me.
Guy, the only reason why I showed you this was for you to move on. Because it's clear that she has moved on.
So this one was cheating on me all this while. Like all this while, I thought she loved me. Yeah, how can she even do this to me?
It's obvious she never loved you. She was only with you for your money.
And now she has found a richer guy. She has dumped you. What did I do wrong, bro? Like, where did I go wrong?
Guy, just move on.
You're pretending that you love me. You said you love me till the end of time, and you'll be by me to cherish and to hold. To cherish and to hold. You'll do anything just for me. I gave you my heart, my body, my soul. I became a fool for you. But you left me alone just for another.
I'm fine.
You don't sound fine. Are you sure you're okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
I don't like the way you sound. You know what? I'm coming to your house right now.
You don't have to. Hello.
Pascal. Pascal, you left your door open. Someone could walk in and steal something.
I really don't care anymore, Anita.
Wow. Pascal, what is going on? Are you okay? Pascal,
I'm fine.
I don't think you're fine. I thought we concluded on moving on from our stupid exes. You even look worse than the day we met. Pascal.
She's with another man.
How do you know?
Uche saw them come out of the supermarket together.
Well, that's really bad.
You know, now it makes more sense to me. She never really loved me. She was just there for the money, and she found the right person. She just dumped me.
You know, Pascal, I think it's high time you move on with your life and stop giving her so much power over you. You know, sitting here, crying, or feeling bad will not change anything. You need to move on. She's not worth it at all. She's not. Come on, look at you.
I think you have a point.
Exactly.
She's not worth my tears.
She's not.
Not worth it.
I don't like the way I'm saying you. Please, you need to cheer up. Okay?
Thank you, Anita.
There's more to life than this.
Thank you. Thank you for calling.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
It's fine. That friends for. It's okay. You'll be fine. Pascal. Pascal.
Hi, Anita.
Yeah.
Wait, hold up. You made this?
Of course I did.
I told you if you were hungry, I would have ordered something for us to eat.
I told you I love cooking, so it's not a big deal.
You mean you made this?
Of course I did.
Wait. Let's have a taste of this. Wait. You're for real? You didn't order it and you're deceiving me, right?
Pascal, are you serious? I did it myself.
Wow. Let's have a taste of this. I must. Hmm. You made this.
I made it.
I I didn't know you were such a good cook.
Really? Now you know.
There's so many things that I don't know about you. Like, tell me more about yourself. Like, what do you do for a living?
For real. I feel I told you this before.
No, you did not. You did not.
Okay.
Mm.
I'm an event planner.
Oh,
Mm-hmm.
interesting.
It is. I think I should be going. It's past 10 already.
Stay a bit longer, please.
Pascal, it's late.
Please.
Pascal, I need to go. Okay, enjoy your meal.
You know what? Okay. Let me just talk to you for a few more minutes.
Okay. Okay.
Just stay probably 30 minutes more. Alright. Please.
Is that what you want to tell me? You're very funny.
Anita, what is it? What?
Pascal, I don't want to go down this road again. Neither do I want to be a rebound.
Listen, Anita. I'm not using you as a rebound, okay?
Pascal, you are still in love with your ex. I don't want to be used as a tool to get into her. Please, I can't.
Listen, I'm not that kind of guy, alright? The past few weeks has been magical. Listen, when I'm with you, I feel safe. I feel natural. I don't even care if I'm shouting or if I'm screaming or if I'm even vulnerable. At that point, I don't really care anymore. And I feel safe with you. Do you understand? And
I'm talking to you, you don't hear me.
Wally, what is it?
Can't you at least let me breathe?
How dare you walk out on me? Are you mad? But are you stupid or something? Something wrong with you?
Enough! Okay? I've had enough of your silly complaints. Every time I do something, you find something to complain about. Nothing I do is ever enough. I cook, you say I don't know how to cook.
Well, that's because you can't cook! Okay? You're a terrible cook! Who feels the goosey? Like, you made a mess of the goosey. You're terrible at everything. Every damn thing. You can cook, you can wash, you can clean the house. You're not even good in bed. That's the worst I've ever seen in my life.
Well, newsflash. You are extremely horrible in bed.
Well, that's thanks to you.
Your sex is zero, right?
Thanks to you. You know what I think? I think you should go back to your mom so that she can start all over and training you again because she did a very terrible job.
How dare you mention my mom?
Would you step back?
Otherwise, what?
Step back. Are you deaf?
You hit me?
Yes, I did. And I will hit you again. Come close again.
Kai, Alpha, are you getting so fat? You're beginning to look like a married man that his wife is feeding very well. Just they play.
Hi.
Hi. How are you?
Very good, babe. You must be the famous Uche.
I'm Uche. I didn't know I was famous.
That's because it talks a lot about you.
Hope it's good things.
Is it? Of course it is. Anyway, what do you want me to get for you? We have rice, we have nsala soup, swallow, Anything you want, just tell me. We have it, trust me.
Rice will be fine by me.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay, if you insist. Honey, do you want me to get you anything?
Nah, I'm fine. I'm okay.
Are you sure?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I'll be right back, okay? Make yourself comfortable. And don't gossip about me.
Kai, is she the one? Yes, now. Kai, since I have known you and your girlfriends, for the first time ever, I approve. Give me a handshake, Joe. My man, don't play. Congratulations on getting yourself a good woman. Not that rubbish at this one again. I'm happy for you, bro. Thank you. I approve. It's your father. I'll get out. Rubbish. Which father? You should know rich now. Fit boy, you don't do it. Don't play, my man.
What this stupid one did to my body. Just because of a small argument, I can't even say anything. I can't even say my mind. Me, this is what I'm trying to say. Even Pascal never did this to me. He never touched me. He never raised his finger on me. Pascal. He was such a good man. Gosh, I took him for granted. I think I better go back to Pascal, honestly. I don't deserve all this suffering. Just because of money. Oh, my Pascal. God will punish that one for me. God will punish him. All his money will finish.
Who is there?
Babe.
Who are you?
Sort of a stupid.
Excuse you? Who are you?
Well, I am the one who should be asking who you are. And what you're doing in my boyfriend's house. So who are you? And what are you doing in my boyfriend's house? Oh, wait. Isn't that Pascal's shirt you're wearing?
I just always had me again. Where are you in my house?
My baby, I miss
you. Hey, don't touch me.
Hey. Like, baby, I know you're upset with me right now, but I'm truly sorry. Okay, it was the devil.
Oh, the devil?
Yes, but I'm back now. And I want to take what belongs to me. I want us to go back to how we used to be. I miss you. I miss us. I want to take back my ring and I will marry you.
Now you want to marry me, Adesua? Now?
Yes, baby.
You want to marry me now, Adesua? What happened to your boyfriend, the one with the luxurious car?
Hey, who told you about that?
Who told me? Uche saw you two come out of a supermarket together.
But that's not true. Uche has never liked me. Alright? Maybe I should just let you know. He's been jealous of our love, of what we share. He knows it's special. He's been trying to tear us apart.
Tear us apart?
Yes, don't like him.
Tear us apart? And this is why you tore us apart. You tore us apart. I mean, I did everything for you. Everything. I gave up everything for you. But what did you do in return? Huh? What did you do? I mean, you had so many flaws. But that did not matter to me, Adesua. Because I loved you. What did you do to pay me back? You dumped me.
Maybe I didn't.
Yes, you did.
I did not dump you, okay? I just needed some time. I just needed to process what was going on and be sure of what I wanted. Marriage is no joke, babe. Like I just needed time. And now I'm 100% sure that you're the man for me, babe.
Well, guess what? I am 100% sure you're not the woman for me.
Babe, don't say that, please.
You see the woman standing right there? Her? You can never be the woman she is. In your full life, you can't even be half of the woman she is. Babe, flaunt your ring in front of her.
What ring?
We're getting married in a few months' time.
But that's boring. You can't get married to somebody else, okay?
You can't.
We're meant to be. You love me, okay? Remember,
I do not love you anymore. My heart beats for another. Do you understand, Adesoa?
Please don't say that.
You've overstayed the welcome in our house. It's time for you to use the door, Adesoa.
Exactly.
Use the door now.
Baby, my sweet, my love.
You shut that thing you call a mouth. Who is your sweetheart? Who is your love? Dad is my fiancé. Okay? Okay.
Wait. She talking? Are you?
Adesoa.
Leave me alone. Harlot.
Harlot?
Yes.
We're doing the name calling game now.
Of course we are doing the name calling, harlot. Leave.
Adesoa, you have to.
Seriously?
I said leave.
Baby, I can't.
Adesoa.
Baby, I love you. I can't.
Are you okay?
Fine.
Are you sure?
I'm okay.
Are you hot? She hot you?
Don't worry, I'm okay.
I love you.
Too.
Come here.